Hey nature lovers, welcome to my channel Naturphobia. It shows you a couple walking through the flower field in the highland. Not the very highland mountainous land, but this is in nature. Then a man with a bike standing in front of the sea. In front of the sea, you see, it looks very beautiful, like nature. Then you see a couple enjoying water ski in the swimming pool. They are in ecstatic mood. And now you see a sea beach. Very awesome. It's exciting mood. Maybe in Dubai. And then a couple walking through the sea beach. They're in amorous mood. And finally you see a man seeking books under nature. Please subscribe to my channel Naturphobia and share this video.